In cryptography, the terminology encryption and hashing are frequently used. In this video, we will learn the difference between encryption and hashing. Encryption is used to keep data safe from third parties, and hashing is used to protect the information's integrity. They appear to be indistinguishable at first glance, yet they are not. Encryption is concerned with the data's confidentiality, whereas hashing is concerned with the data's integrity. Let's take a look at both hashing and encryption to see how they work and see what the differences are. Encryption. Encryption is a process that encodes a message or file so that it can only be read by certain people. Encryption uses an algorithm to scramble or encrypt data and then uses a key for the receiving party to unscramble or decrypt the information. The message contained in an encrypted message is referred to as plaintext. In its encrypted, unreadable form, it is referred to as ciphertext. Encryption is a two-way function. What is encrypted can be decrypted. How encryption works. Encryption uses algorithms to scramble your information. It is then transmitted to the receiving party, who is able to decode the message with a key. There are many types of algorithms, which all involve different ways of scrambling and then decrypting information. Types of encryption. The two main kinds of encryption are symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption. In symmetric encryption, the web server and the user both use the same key to encrypt and decrypt the data. A number, a character string, or a word can be used as the key. To complete the encryption-decryption procedure, both the user and the web server should have the same key. While in asymmetric encryption, a pair of keys is used. A public key is one that is shared between the customer and the website. The second key is the private key, which is kept secret by the website's administrator. The public key is used to encrypt data received from the user browser, while the private key is used to decode it. The information transferred between the browser and the website is thus kept safe and secure. How are encryption keys generated? Keys are usually generated with random number generators, or computer algorithms that mimic random number generators. A more complex way that computers can create keys is by using user mouse movement to create unique seeds. Modern systems that have forward secrecy involve generating a fresh key for every session, to add another layer of security. Let's take a look at hashing to see how they work and see what the differences are. Hashing. Hashing is the process of converting the data to a key using a hash function. The information is converted to a fixed-size string of text using a mathematical function that will be a hash value. It is a one-way function. It means that the original data cannot be restored from the hash key in any way. How hashing works. Hashing, in the context of cryptocurrency, is the process of computing a hash value from plain texts in order to protect against interference. Two different keys can produce identical hash values, which results in a collision. For hashing to work efficiently, you should modify the hashing algorithm so that there are minimum chances of collision. The hashing algorithms then produce different hash values for alternate keys. How are hashing keys generated? Hash functions work in a one-way manner and do not require any keys to operate. These functions are not reversible and cannot be decoded. There is no deterministic procedure for determining the original value of a hash. However, the values are then stored in a data structure called hash table. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.